Imagine an estate where every day feels like a retreat to a luxurious resort, seamlessly blending nature's beauty with modern living. West Park Cottages is a sanctuary designed to offer residents a harmonious lifestyle where the charm of nature meets the sophistication of upscale amenities, such as the green park, the mini polo field, community gardening, organic farming, artificial lake, stables, and so many others. With nearest landmarks such as IITA Resort Ibadan, the University of Ibadan, Monia Ibadan train station, and the Ibadan Inland Dry Port. Available in full plots, half plots, and acre. 200,000 naira is all you need to secure your plot as West Park Cottages and spread the balance within 6 months.
You are not just buying a property. No. You are embracing a lifestyle that harmonizes luxury, nature, and community.